Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the built-in tracking area so you can see real metrics. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Screen Time. On Android, open Settings, then Digital Wellbeing or the equivalent. Once there, enable tracking if it's off and allow permissions. This ensures accurate history and app data. Make sure the device is unlocked and on Wi-Fi so daily stats sync. Now tap into today's summary to get your first actionable readout and identify the top apps using your time. Once done with the initial screen, dive into details to understand how and when you use your device. Switch between day and week views to spot spikes, and tap any app to see minutes, pickups, and notification counts. That tells you why it climbs. Use the hourly graph to find problem times. Next, configure app limits by category or individual app to curb habits, and mark essential apps as always allowed so limits don't block important functions. To complete the process, apply schedules and downtime so your phone enforces the limits you just created. Set bedtime limits for reduced late-night use, then save and review the next day to confirm behavior changes. If you want records, export or screenshot weekly reports to track trends. If numbers seem wrong, restart the device, verify screen time or digital well-being permissions, and make sure the OS is up to date. That usually resolves syncing or missing data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.